Hello, it is Thursday. This was my Thanksgiving right here. This was the best. Okay, well, other than the bird, but this right here was the best part. No, Thanksgiving is always just really good. It's like my favorite holiday. So, hey, Penelope just came in and just did this. What a weirdo. Anyways, here it actually is.
You're so sweet. This one is soft. They're all so soft. Oh, yawn. Oh, hello, puppy. Hi. Come here, puppy. This way. Are they leaving? Sounds like they are.
I don't know.
It's not Jonathan. I think that's what he was.
Yeah, so maybe Jonathan is leaving.
So those were my cousin's adorable puppies, and they were really cute and good, and I love them. Hi. Okay, so look at this dog. Look at Penelope. Me and Ellie decided that she looks like Dobby, the house elf. So we call her Dobby. Right, Dobby. Right, Dobby. Right, Dobby. Yeah? Yeah? Oh! Ew. That was gross. So, yeah. That was my Thanksgiving. It was very good. We haven't put our Christmas tree up yet. I don't know when we will. Normally I'm the one who makes us do that. But when I make us do it, I have to do all the work. We have a fake tree. It's a really nice fake tree, but it is a fake tree. So it doesn't smell as good as normal trees, but it's pretty good. Maybe that'll be up next week so you can see it. And I kind of figured since my day was on Thanksgiving that we weren't uploading videos, and since nobody else did last week, I was just like, it's Thanksgiving. I'll just make a video next week. What have I been up to? Being out too late. On Tuesday, I didn't get home until 4:30 in the morning. I was not happy about that. I'm wearing my Elvis Presley shirt. Oh, he's so good. And I'm obsessed with nail polish. Woo-hoo-hoo. So good. It looks completely different on this than it does in real life. It's weird. So yeah. I don't have a lot else to say right now. So, see ya. Oh, I forgot to say one thing and I wanted to add it in. In 2 days, my friend Kayla is coming home, and she's been in Australia for a year, and I get to go with her to the airport, and I'm really excited for her to come home. So yeah, I just had to share that with you. I'm so excited. It's gonna be good. But she'll only be here for a month, and then she's going back. That's okay. At least we get to have her here for a bit. Okay, bye for real this time.